Okay, so this afternoon we will be talking about political ideologies, which you have reported already. Okay, so the term ideology mean a lot of things, but we will focus more on the following, which can be found in the slide. So according to the Study Tracy, it refers to conscious thought and ideas. No? According to the Tracy in 1796. So he called it the science of ideas or ideology. Now, according to Peter Braham, he referred to ideology as cluster of beliefs that are sometimes false or distorted or sometimes concealing. So when you say concealing kanang imo bitong ginatago lang gyud na ginatago sa imo nga dili pakita sa imo, that's concealing. So that's according to Peter Braham. Now another is ideology is systematic group of concepts and beliefs about culture, society, and human life. So that is what ideology means. And also, set of ideas used to legitimize a political system. When we say legitimize a political system or regime, meaning to say nga munay ginakuan sa government nga muni dapat inani dapat ang ato ang gobyerno. So legitimizing, making it acceptable among the citizens. And finally, ideology is also a political doctrine. So when we say political doctrine, it's a teaching of the government that claims a monopoly of truth. Nga muna siya kanang tinuod, muna siya gina-portray sa government nga acceptable teaching. So muna siya ha, doctrine or teaching. Then when we say doctrine also, it is absolute. Dili siya mausab-usab. Doctrine man siya. Okay, so that's what ideology mean. Now, since our subject is about politics, so what does political ideology mean? Okay, so it is a set, everybody read.
Ideas, principles, doctrines, means, symbols of a social movement, institution, as a large group that explain how society should work and offer some political and cultural scheme for social order.
Okay, so it was mentioned a while ago that ideology means ideas or beliefs. But kung sa may iyahang purpose, ani nga mga ideas and beliefs. So ang iyang sole nga purpose is to maintain social order. So mahimo nga ang ideology is the basis for social order. Aron nga naay kahiusahan sa isa ka community or large group or social movement or institution as mentioned. Kinsa nakatry diri sa inyo class nga ang ilang circle of friends is naay isa lang sa inyong circle of friends ang gabuot. Kanang sa decision making ba? I am talking about kanang kwan lang ha, kanang as an example lang. In a particular group, like your group of friends. Kung sa inyong friends is namoy leader kay bali, Nga murag siya gabuot nga sige mo ta dito, eskwela ta or dili. Oh. So mo na inyong political ideology. Unsa man na siya tawag na autocracy. Meaning authority lang ba? Pero napoy ubang group of friends nga ang gabuot is kung kinsa ang mas daghan nga gusto. For example, may eskwela ta or dili? Ikaw, may eskwela ka? May eskwela ko, ikaw, may eskwela ka? O sa inyohang lima, example lang, lima, duha ray dili gusto may eskwela, so may tabo, matuman tong tulo. So that's democracy. Now, that is the basis for social order. Munang kamo, makasinabot mo, it's because your political ideology, ga-follow mo ana nga certain political ideology. Para nga kamo, di mo magkagubot. Kaya kung lahi-lahi mo og political ideology sa inyong grupo, may tabo, mag-away mo. Kay na isa gusto mag-leader. Ang isa gusto kung asa ang daghan dito ta, ana ba? Okay, then political ideology is a coherent set of ideas that provides a basis. So, ang political ideology is basis for organized political action, whether the ideas are intended to preserve, modify, or overthrow the existing power structure. So, ang ideology may be used to preserve. What is the other word for preserve? What's the other term for preserve? For example, nakay-gipalit nga karne niya imong ibutang sa ref kay ma-preserve siya. Keep it fresh. So fresh kay ilahang kwan bay, ilang political ideology. What else?
Maintain, sir.
Maintain, yes. To maintain. Then also modify. So kabaluman mo sa meaning sa modify, no? What does it mean? Other word for modify. Imong motor, imong gi-modify.
Enhancer.
I-enhance. Baguhon. No? So when we say modify, baguhon. Or overthrow the existing power structure. Sa maning overthrow? Ilabay. Throw good. Overthrow. Itsa. For example, katong naitabo kang Ferdinand Marcos sa una. Senior. Junior man karon. Gi-overthrow siya sa iyahang pagka-presidente. Impeach. Or ilisdan. So, muna ang meaning sa political ideology. Then, political ideology is also an ideology which is a collection of ideas on the best form of government. So katong giingon ganina nga example no, form of government, autocracy ba or democracy? Or the best economic system, capitalism ba or socialism? So muna siya ang one, but we will talk about it later on. Okay? So, what are the different characteristics and relevance of political ideologies? Una, it offers an account of the existing order, often in the form of a worldview. So, because of political ideology, there is what we call order. So, isa na siya sa iyang relevance. Without ideology, walay order. Then number two, it provides a model of a desired future, a vision of a good society. So, ideology provides a desired model of a desired future or a good society. So that is the function of or the relevance of political ideologies. Then number three, it outlines how political change can and should be brought out. So, change. This is the last relevance of political ideology. Change. Okay, so what are the different political ideology? First, we have liberalism. So, sa liberalism, it's about satisfaction of interests. When we say interest, dili lang siya ingon nga interest nga in its narrow meaning nga imong hilig lang. Kung dili, unsay makaayo sa imuha. That's what we call interest. What's good for you? Like for example, what are the basic needs of a human being? Food, shelter, loads. What else?
Basic living.
Hangin.
Oh, yan.
Lagi no?
Oxygen.
Sound lang, way hangin. Okay, run. Okay, so those are part of interest. So, kinahanglan i-satisfy. Dayon, liberalism, they believe that creatures are equipped with reason. Ang tao, nagit siya kakayahan nga mag-isip. Kaya niyang isipin kung ano ang tama. Kaya niyang isipin kung ano ang mali. Then, individuals are recognized and rewarded. So, muna yung isa sa karakteristik sa liberalism. There is recognition and reward. Na siya reward, na siya recognition. According to their talent and performance. So, whatever you can do, you will be rewarded. That's liberalism. Then, there is freedom in liberalism. There is freedom. Then in liberalism, there is a principle of meritocracy. What does meritocracy mean? What does it mean? Nara diha. Read loudly. What does it mean?
Individuals are recognized and rewarded according to their talent and performance.
Oh, that's principle of what do you call that? Meritocracy. Merit ba? From the term merit. Oh, meritocracy. Umayo ka, mariwardan ka. Or kung nakay kaya buhaton, nakay reward. Pero wala kay ginabuhat, wala po kay reward. Pero usahay ka ng diri sa tuang community, naaya po yung reward sa kuhay kinabuhat, no? Can you observe mga inana nga tao? Wala yung gibuhat pero na-reward. Wag ka study, dagko grado. So murag na-violate ang principle of meritocracy. That is why I am very particular when it comes to kanabang honesty in terms of kana mag-quiz ta. Kay if you can answer the questions because you really paid attention or you studied. So dapat nga ikaw ra gid pud ang maka angkon ana nga reward kung dako imong score. Dili kay grabe nimong study ni imong mga classmate igora na nga yung answer. Magsuko-suko pa kay bati daw kuno kay imong agi. Hilas kayo. Okay. Then there is also part siya sa liberalism kaning liberal democracy. So ayang characteristic ani is consent and constitutionalism. So sa consent, freedom of choice. Are you free to choose, class? Are you free to choose between right or wrong? Are you free to choose between mahal mo or mahal ka? Diba? That's consent. That is consent. Now, constitutionalism is adherence to rule of law. That's constitutionalism. Sige, meaning constitutionalism? Constitutionalism. Adherence to rule of law. When I say adherence to rule of law, what does it mean? Ha? Constitutionalism, ha? Grabe na akong badlis diha. Grabe. Are you listening? Siga, tanaw ra mo diri niya. Kuan ba? Bala mo eh. Okay. Then there is diversity and pluralism. So diversity meaning differences. When you say diversity, what does it mean? Differences. Oh, lahi-lahi. Pareha mo diri, kamo diri. Diverse man mo. Lahi-lahi man mo. Ang uban maayo kaayo sa klase. Ang uban mas maayo pag sa klase. Ang uban kay parasite. Ba? Mangayo nagpapel, walang pagbulpen, mangayo pag-cancer. And pluralism. So daghan, multiple. When you say pluralism, multiple or daghan. Daghan kayong mga ideas, daghan kayong mga opinion, daghan kayong mga reklamo. Okay, then democracy respects freedom of speech or freedom of expression. Kung gusto ka mo reklamo, pwede ra gyud. Freedom of political association. Kung unsa imong gusto nga grupo, pwede ra gyud. And individual political liberties and civil rights. So, ang democracy respects civil rights. I am going to ask you, what ideology respects civil rights? What ideology respects civil rights? Democracy. Okay? Then, ang proponent tayon ani is si Thomas Hobbes. In his social contract theory. Sa social contract theory, there is an agreement the most important element in his theory is agreement between the Leviathan and the people. Wala na nilabot ha. Sayop na. Okay, Leviathan and the people. Agreement na sila, agreement. Si Leviathan mo ni ang powerful leader representing a state. Dan ang people dayon mo ni ang sakop. So silang duha dapat na sila agreement. That's the thought of social contract theory. What is the most important element in the social contract theory? Agreement. What is the most important element in social contract theory? Agreement. Di man ni gini ninyo class? Okay. Next, political ideology is conservatism. Unsa man iyang characteristic ani? Preserve institutions. Preserve institutions. Dayon kani siya resistant to change. Dili ni sila gusto nga nay baguhon. Gusto nila kung unsay naandan mo gina siya. Kamo class, kung ganan ba mo magsig-usap-usap? Sato pa di mo ganahan nga mausap inyo ang environment kay imbis college na dapat dire ra gyapon, dito ra gyapon. Alay po to siya no. Okay. So na ubang tao nga dili gyud sila ganahan og changes. Gusto nila traditional lang. Kay tradition reflects the accumulated wisdom of the past. Tinud lang gyud pod kay ang tradition daw is it reflects the wisdom of the past. Okay, and the basis of social cohesion is authority. So, what political ideology based its social cohesion on authority? Huh? What political ideology base its social cohesion on authority? Conservatism. Ang social cohesion diya nga gipasabot is order ba? Nga walay gubot basta patuo lang mo sa authority or sa leader. Ba? So walay gubot. Kaya magbut-but yan mo na diha nang gubot. Okay, so si Edmund Burke, a Dublin-born UK statesman and political theorist, is the father of modern Anglo-American conservatism. Si Edmund Burke. Okay, next. Capitalism. Another political ideology. Capitalism, there is competition and an individual rises according to ability or abilities. So sa capitalism class, iya og paningkamot. Ha? Ang society sa capitalist class is that pasagdan lang niya yung members nga maningkamot. Muna nga kana nga society na ay mudato og maayo, kapoy mo uban mo pobre og maayo. Dili sa ingon nga ni pobre kay wa sila naningkamot kun dili ang katulang mas ni dato mas wiser lang sila. So if inana man ato ang nasod. We are a capitalist country gyapon. Diba? Iya og paningkamot. Kung gusto ka nga successful ka paningkamot og imuha. Okay, then there is competition and individualism. Iya mo to kung gingon ganina. Competition. So unsa gani nga ideology ang nay competition? Ang resistant to change. Conservatism. Kaysa socialism, this is a political ideology where there is equality. Equal tanan. Sa socialism, kung tagaan og 1,000 ang isa ka tawo, tagaan tanan. Kung panisa ng isa ka tawo, panisan tanan aron equal. Equality man. Dahil there is cooperation. Tinabangay. Murag inyong klase ba tinabangay? Tinabangay mo class? Yes na yes, no? Tinabangay gyud samot na og mo ba? Then there is collectivism. Collective meaning as a group. If one suffers, the group suffers. If one benefits, the group benefits. Dayon, human beings are social creatures who are bound by a common humanity. So, parihara ta tao mo na thought pod sa socialism nga natay common humanity. So, si John Stuart Mill, according to him, government can control individual behavior only when such behavior threatens to physically harm other members of society. So, sa socialism class, the government will only interfere if harmful ang behavior sa usa. For example, diri sa klase, you will be equal. Yes, there will be cooperation. Pero if one of you will become harmful, na diha na dayon mo interfere ang government. If you have seen the kanang news kagapon? Ito kira. Mass shooting ra to siya. Mass shooting. Diba? So, ato siya, loy kay tong bata to kay kuan na banda yang namatay no? 5 na? Dilo 5 na. 5 na. 5 na dayon ang wounded kuno. Basta kay lapas 10 to. Daghan na. Dili among gisgutan kuan katong shooting ba sa Tacloban. Dili na nagkuan na kay ang katong duha critical to sila niya namatay daw kuno. Gibuli. Pero regardless of whatever kanang form of bullying doesn't give you the right to kill someone. Kay nagtuo lugar ka og katong pamilya atong nangamatay og okay ra lugar to sa ilahan na. At least pa ino ng pamilya apil damay pa pamilya niya to. Okay, so kauto class, di kito siya maayo ha. Bawal gayahin sa bahay. Okay? So, remember the ideology that interferes only when there is a harmful behavior is socialism. Mo interfere gyapon government pero kanang kung harmful na ang behavior sa usa ka member. Next. Oh, okay na siya. So anarchism is an ideology that promotes unbridled personal autonomy. Unbridled personal autonomy. Kani siya nga ideology class. Muna siya ang ideology nga kung sa ato pa nga inistoryahan is walay magbuot sa imuha kung unsa imong buhaton. Oh, walay pakialam ay.
Quantified and freedom.
Walay pugong, walay makasagang ba, walay di kapugnan ba? Ang autonomy is freedom na siya kanang ikaw ra gyud magbuot. That's autonomy. When we say autonomy, ikaw ra magbuot ba? Independence. Dili gid siya hinaptan gid. Lahi lang po nila kay kanang ikaw ra gyud magbuot gyud sa imong kinabuhi. Dili ka butan. Pero as far as I know, wala inani nga form of government. Nalay inani nga form of terrorism. Okay, nganong na terrorism kay tungod kay the terrorists want themselves to be independent nga gusto nila nga way gobyerno magbuot sila ha. So there is faith in natural order. Muna yung timanan sa anarchism. Faith in natural order. Nga ang tao daw kuno dili naman ginaganahan o gubot ang tao. Nagi na siya iyang kaugalingon nga natural order. Part na sa tao nga kanang gusto niya nga malinaw niyang kinabuhi. And spontaneous social harmony and believe that the cause of all disorder is the government itself. So mo ni ang kasagara nga kuan sa ideology sa mga terrorists. Anarchism. They believe that the government is the source and the cause of all disorder. Munangga, terorista sila. Kay, you cannot blame them also. Kay, di ba, to be honest, di ba, atong gobyerno gyud sometimes, gubot magani kang Senado, di ba? So, for this kind of people, they believe that the government itself is the source of disorder. Income. Okay, so individuals take charge of their own affairs through voluntary agreement and cooperation. So, depende na sa imo ha. Dayon, voluntary ang tanan. Kung mupahina ka, papahina. Kung dili, ayaw. Ano ta? Kung muamot ka, amot. Kung dili ka, dili siya pinugsanay. Dayon, there is personal morality. Ikaw na mismo tao, aning ideology, ikaw mismo nga tao ang kabalo unsay maayo ug unsay dili. Diba kay kita naturally we know what is right and wrong. And we don't need someone or something to tell us whether it is right or wrong. Kamu lugar bi, mingular mo nga sakto ba kanay mo kaugtae ba? Di naman siguro, di ba? Okay, next. Tae na po. Communism. Another ideology. Common ownership of wealth. Ownership of wealth. Common ownership. So, the proponent of this ideology are they? Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. So, their ideology is a revolutionary dictatorship of the proletariat. If you can still remember in your Diaz, si Karl Marx, diba, katong bourgeois and proletariat. If you can still remember, ang bourgeois, ano itong mga bourgeois? Mga dato, mga arangan, dato na ganyan. Kaya mga high class. Or we call them the elite. Ang proletariat na yun, they're workers. So para sa ilaha, they believe nga dapat patas ang tanan. Dapat walay dato. Dapat kung working class na work tanan. So that's communism. So ang communism also is a socio-economic structure which aims to establish a society that is classless, egalitarian, and stateless. So, sa communism, walay labaw. Oh, patas ra gyud tanan. Then ay common ownership, then equality and fairness. Then the ruling elite or leader decides and has pervasive interference. So mo nilang gusto nga walaon. Gusto nila walaon ang ruling elite. Can you have questions? No questions? Okay. So Marxism, dialectical materialism. What does it mean? Sa meaning ani? Material girl? Material basis of reality. Munang dialectical materialism. Muna diri gikan ang term nga kanang materialistic nga tao. Or mga shall we call it social climber ba? O materialistic sila. Oh. Basis nila is material basis of reality. Kay mo ni ang class struggles, forces of production and relations of production. So the forces of production is about the raw materials. So mga ginagamit sa pag-produce sa usa ka produkto. Relations of production is muna ang mga laws and institutions involved in producing and distribution of goods and services. Okay. This is why there is what we call inequality. Kay, for example, ang kanang mais nga produkto, di ba? Nana siya gitawag og forces of production. So na siya materials, mga tao, labor, ana, forces of production na. Karon, pag-abot sa relations of production, na may mga laws and institutions nga mo'y ga-interfere. Kinsa man na? We are talking about the buyers, which dictates the prices. So mga relations of production na to siya. So sila ang ga-regulate, sila ang ga-control sa distribution of goods and services. Unya kay usahay kay ang value sa raw materials, ang value sa labor and capital dili man mag-coincide pod sa relations of production. Diba? Kay usahay barato kayong pagkapalit, mahal kayong gasto. So that's Marxism. Then fascism, strength through unity. Social group absorbs individual identity. Okay, this is an ideology. This is an ideology wherein one loses his or her identity. Have you experienced class kanang before you became friends with your friends, you were a different person? Mandili man ang taga inana pero pagka friends nimo natakdan na ka. Example, Sa una, dili yung kagainom. Pagkahimo ninyong friends, ala, bunay mo tagay. Mo pa'y manghanggat. Mura na bag siya mo palit. So di ba na nawala iyang identity ug natakda na siya sa group, social group. So you have to be careful with that, especially kung hapit naman mo mag-college, because you will be with new set of groups, new people. Ka-timing kag barkada dito nga way klaro na. Tama ra gyud ka first sem. So freedom is complete submission, democracy is dictatorship, progress means constant struggle and war, and creation implies destruction. So inana ilahang prinsipyo. So there's no freedom. Nabay freedom sa fascism wala? Wala. Wala. Wala ay freedom oy. Amang freedom ni mo ana nga mosabit man ka sa grupo. Dili ba? I mean sa within the context of the group ba? If you submit fascism, you have to submit yourself sa grupo. Pareho ko na ng another example, kanang gangster. Diba? If you are a member of the gang, you have to submit yourself to the gang or the decision of the gang. So mawala ang imong identity, imong independence. Mo ni ang mindset sa mga gangster, fascism. Isog kayo, strength through unity. Isog kay sila, kay dagan sila. Okay, so isa sa pinaka-notable person of fascism is si Adolf Hitler. An Austrian established a one-party dictatorship in Germany. So, yeah, is expansionist German nationalism and virulent anti-Semitism. Kontra man ko kay niya ang mga Jewish. I don't know what happened to him nganong kontra kay niya mga Hudiyo sa Bible ba?
Drawing daw, sir.
Ha?
Kung bata pa siya, mga 7 years old, nag-drawing siya, nag-busy sa teacher na Jewish.
Tama ba? I didn't know that story. So, siguro yun na
History man,
Oh, ah.
history good time.
Okay. So, thank you for that story. So, inana, no? So, kamo, ma-teacher mo, ay ninyo gisiya ang drawing sa inyong estudyante. Kaya delikado kayo. Dagan kinikipatay. Holocaust, may tawag at itong dagan kasi kipatay. Billion basta million. Gitapok ng mga tao diya sa ngana lugar, open field. Tapok na ng Jewish. Gibrakrakan na nilag kuan, pusil. Ang uban gisunog. Nana. Okay? Okay, feminism. So, sa feminism is enhance the social role of women. Okay? Oh, sige na. Kung saba naman. So, enhance the social role of women. Kaya sa unang panahon class, ang mga babae, wala gid sila pulos sa katilingban. Bitaw. They are not allowed to work. They are not allowed to vote. They are not allowed to participate in elections. Wala gyud. Nara sila sa balay gabantay og bata og imuag bata pod. Yeah, because of Mary Wollstonecraft, so she advocated equal rights for women. Then especially the right to education based on the idea of personhood. Nga babae tao gyapon, so dapat magkuan yapon, magtuon ang mga babae. Para sa iya ha, kung unsay pwede nga buhaton sa lalaki, dapat pwede pud sa babae. Ang problema karon kay kuan man ni noon. Murag nabali na noon ba? Murag mas powerful pa noon ang babae kaysa sa lalaki. Okay, so the relationship of political ideologies and its impact on social and political life of Filipino. So the relationship of political ideology and the community is that the form of the government reflects the ideals advocated by the political ideology. Like sa ato unsa kay political ideology sa ato ang nasod? Unsa political ideology nga na present sa atong nasod?
Capitalism.
Aside from that,
Democracy.
democracy. Yes. So muna ang ato ang ideology nga gina-promote. So the impact of values on political community. So societal values influence the operations of the government. Sa may implication ana. Kung unsa ang ato ang mga values, nagyapon sa gobyerno. Example, utang na loob. Filipino value ba na? Diba? Unsa bisaya ng utang na loob? Nakay utang nga laman loob. Utang ka bubuton. Di ba kung unsa may effect ana sa tao din kung nakay utang ka bubuton sa iya? Maunsa man ka? Mag-serve ka, mag-obey ka siya, di ba? Oh. So nagya po siya sa government nato. Example, na politician na siya gihangyo, na siya utang ka bubuton nato. So whether it is right or wrong, he has to or she has to follow. Okay, how political ideology affect the life of everyday Filipino? So through the succession of Philippine presidents. Isa sa pinaka influential gyud sa ato ang kinabuhi is ang presidente. Kung unsa nga klase sa presidente ang ato presidente, apektado gyud ang mga Pilipino. Communist man sila. That is why katong gi-mention ako nga ningon si Aristotle nga democracy is the worst form of government. Yeah. Ningon siya. If you go to okay ang kinabuhi sa mga Chinese. Dili naman. Dili naman sila sa una ra to. Sa una gibawalan sila pero karon man. Okay, so do you have questions? Wala? Okay, get one half.